everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-94HPC. This is for Bruce in Pennsylvania. Alright, we're starting with 4-watt mode. So we'll take a look up here. Should see 4-watt carrier. Yep. And the peak power on this 50-watt slug, there's 20 right there. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And now I'm gonna put it on. Let's see here, we got 10 watt and a 4-watt mode. So we got a 10 watt. Take a look up here. 10 watts. And on the 50 slug. Again, in there. Audio, check. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's another mode here. We can go to FM and then select 3 power levels. We got 4, 10, and 40. So here's the 4 that you've already seen. And I'll put it on 10. Here's the 10. And here's the 40. We're going to come over here. Here's the 40. All right.